Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the very famous problem to sum, the LeetCode problem number 1. So in this problem, given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution and you may not use the same element twice. So for example, we have an input array 2, 7, 11, 15 and the target 9. If we look for two elements, so what we can do, we will check the 2 and 7 is add up to 9. So we have to return the indices of 2 and 7, which is 0 and 1, or there is order, doesn't matter here. So the very simple brute force solution, what we can do, so in the array we have 2, 7, 11 and 15 and the target, let it sorted with shorthand with T, the target is 9. So we just simply brute forcefully run two loops, one for I from 0 to number of element n minus 1 and another in nested loop for j is equal to I plus 1 to n, and then we will check if the array indices, let's say nums of I plus nums of j is equals to target T or not. If it is, we will return I comma j as an array pair and we will iterate for all the such pairs of I comma j. So if we see the time complexity of this solution, we are running two loop, one inside another, which is nested. So the time complexity is O of n square, and the space complexity we are using just as constant. Can we optimize this further? So let me show you the first the code of brute force. So this is what, as I explained, this is the two for loop, then the if check, if it is equal to target, we are returning this I comma j pair, and in the end we are just returning to satisfy the function return type. So can we further optimize this? So as we know, our brute force solution is n square time and O1 space space. So can we do something like, there is a trade-off, as you know, time complexity versus the space complexity. We can increase the space complexity to try to achieve reduce the time complexity. Why? Because the space these days is very easy and cheap, while the time is still very important to run an algorithm. So what we can do, we will just, so first this is our, let's say, array of the same example 1, 2, 7, 11 and 15 and our target T is 9. So and this is values are at index 0, 1 and 2 and 3. So we will fill this values and their index corresponding into hash map table basically. So the value 2 is at index 0, value 7 is at index 1, value 11 is at index 2 and the value 15 is at index 3. So then we can do in a one pass, and second pass we come and check 2, then we will check the complement T minus 2 is a contain map. Yes, if it is contained, we will compare the index. So this is index start from 0. We will check I should not equal to the value we get from the map dot get of target minus nums, basically 2. So if it is not, then we found the pair. So we will do for all. So this is a two pass solution and the time complexity will explain. First let's implement the code. So for code we need a map of integer comma integer map, and which is initialized with the new hash map, and then we will do one pass for int I is equal to 0 to populate our map, and I less than nums dot length and I plus plus, and this simply map dot put nums of I comma I, and in second pass we will again use the same for loop and just simply check if nums of I map dot contains key for target minus nums of I. Then we will also have to check the index should not equal I not equals to map dot get target minus nums of I. If it is the case, we found such pair, we will just return that pair new int of pair I comma map dot get target minus nums of I. So this we will iterate, and in the end we just return if we don't found, but the problem already says that we always get a such pair, so return the 2. So let's compile our 2-pass solution. So if we pass, it is compiled, and let's submit it, and it is accepted. So what is the time complexity of this? So this is a one loop which is we are running, then this is sequential with that again O of n. So the overall time complexity of this solution is O of n, and the space complexity just fixed is constant, so it is O of 1. No, we are using map, so it is O of n. So we are storing all the elements in map first. So this is the time complexity, and the space complexity of this solution is O of n and O of n. So as you see, we did in 2 pass. Can we do it in 1 pass? Yes, we can do. But what we can do, we just check the same way and return, and if we don't found, we just add this into the nums of I into array. So in the same code, we just let's repeat about the curly braces first, and here we just add into the map dot nums of I comma I, and here we will return this again same. So this will be let's submit the code itself directly. So it is judging now, pending, judging, and it is accepted. So this is a very simple 1-pass solution of the same problem, and the time complexity and the space complexity is same as the previous solution, which is O of n. Thank you. If you like my solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the early notifications. Thank you for watching.